Alright guys, I'm filming this one with my phone because I'm going to try and upload it as soon as I'm done. But figured I'd let you know what it's like to be a truck driver. I'm driving down the road. We're just almost had crossed into Tennessee. We just now crossed into Tennessee. I had to stop on a ramp. You hear the four-ways going. So then that happened. My wiper came off. So I'm going to jump out here and see if I can figure out why it is that it came off. Throw a hoodie on with a hood because it is raining and I don't like being wet. Ooh, nice cab over. I don't know if the camera got it or not, but the four-ways are annoying. Not a fan. I have a feeling the retaining nut just came off. Bella's like 14 years old this year. Probably 15 technically because she's an 07, so she would have been put in service in 06. So yeah, like 15 years this year, being 2021. See, what I'm anticipating is that bolt is loose, but it's not looking that way. But yeah, it is. See this bolt, this nut gets loose, and it allows it to come loose on the motor head. So y'all getting rained on, but I gotta go around here and get a wrench. Every day is something. I think that's a 9/16, but we'll also take, if I can find it, take a 1/2 inch with us. There it is. Oh, the electrical box is trying to come out. That is a 1/2 inch. But it did tighten up some, so we'll give it a shot. Put the cap back on. We'll put the wrenches back. Might be putting a new wiper motor in it here before long. My side box is a mess. You want to see the inside of my side box? Look, it's a mess. I got to do some spring cleaning on this old girl. Alright, let's see if the wipers work. Screen's all covered in water. There. Well, it works at least. We'll see if the windy day blows it all over the place, because that's what happened. The wind caught it. Then yeah, pull my socks up inside my boots. But anyway, the wind caught it on the windshield, blew it over to the left side, so I had to drive a few miles with the wipers off. Luckily, I do use Rain-X. Heard, excuse me, gotten several comments about people telling me to use Rain-X. I do use Rain-X. I use Rain-X wiper blades, I use Rain-X washer fluid, and I use Rain-X on the windshield. So anyway, there you have it. We're on our way back from Laredo. I'm so behind on videos, I don't even know when and or if you guys will even see this trip, but gonna get back on the road here. So there you have it. My wiper blew off. Another day in the life of a truck driver. I'm gonna upload this, let my phone upload it, and keep a shiny side up. Safe travels. See you in the next one.